So guys, welcome to another Beyblade X unboxing. Today we got Lightning L-Drago 160F. I wanted to get these because they remind me of the old Metal Fight ones. I actually used to have one, but then I sold it on Facebook Marketplace. So I'm kind of regretting that decision, but here we got the Beyblade X version remake. Now there's two Beyblades you can get from the set. You can get the Mirage mode and then the upper mode. And I bought the full set, so now we got one of each. Let's unbox it. So the only thing with this Beyblade is that it's a left spin, but the only way you can get a left spin launcher is to get Cobalt Dragoon. So hence my last video where I unboxed Cobalt Dragoon, I needed that launcher. It's supposed to be random booster, or kind of random, but I already know I got both of them. And the way you can tell is by the stickers too. Stickers here. I believe this one is Mirage mode because of the yellow stickers. Mirage mode is the one where I believe the... Actually, I lied. Actually, wait. It is Mirage mode. Because it's where the plastic bit is out. I'll show them a little bit of the unbox both of them. But the parts are the same on this. Both the 160. One way to tell if they are different or the same. Oh, it looks hecka nice. What the? Yeah, so this one is the upper mode. Whoa, that's cool. The colors look so nice. I forgot how nice the color was back then. And here's the bit, which is just a flat. Same thing as drawn sword. Ratchet 160, blue color. And here we got. Oh wait, what? We got the same thing, right? Oh, it's different. Yeah, it's different. You can see that the metal is exposed. So this one, let's see. You can see that this side is engage mode, which is the Mirage mode, and then on the other one, You can see this metal head right here. That's your upper mode. As the bay is spinning, the bay will go whoop, and it'll go up. Compared to this one. Oh, that's pretty cool. Alright, now I gotta put on stickers. I haven't put on stickers on Beyblades for a real long time, since first. Alright, so after putting on these stickers, this is what it looks like. Here's the upper mode. We have some red stickers here. The Mirage mode has some yellow. And here I got my one I bought from Facebook Marketplace. It's not really the exact same combo as like the original, but looks pretty much the same. It's honestly really cool though. Alright, let's put the parts together with the 160. So 160, one side will be a lot heavier for better attacks, so it's an interesting combo. And man, it's a lot taller than what I remembered, the original. Now on to some test battles. Right now for some test spins and battle with the Lightning L-Drago. We'll just launch both of them first. I'm gonna do the upper one first using the L-Drago launcher from last video. Oh, the color looks so nice in the stadium. Right now the Mirage mode. Right now for some test battles. Wizard Arrow. Upper mode. Supposed to send the bay flying. So the only thing with the 160 ratchet is that after the stamina's gone, it starts to wobble really bad. Oh, actually won. I guess there's some spin steal happening, some equalization. Try the upper again. So that's what the upper mode is supposed to do, where it should send the Beyblade flying out of the state. See the upper mode working there. Beyblades flying in the air. Oh, came back. Spin steal? Spin steal? That was clean. Roger. Oh. You saw that drawn sword was tripped up. Alright, that concludes today's video. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.